As a project management expert, I've seen countless tools come and go, each promising to revolutionize the way teams work. Amidst this ever-evolving landscape, Basecamp has maintained a unique and often debated position. When asked, what kind of app is Basecamp? The answer isn't a simple one-liner, because Basecamp is more than just a single feature. It's a philosophy translated into software. At its core, Basecamp is a project management and team collaboration application. This might sound broad, but it's important to understand how Basecamp approaches these functions. Unlike many other tools that aim to be all-encompassing, featuring Gantt charts, complex resource allocation, and intricate reporting, Basecamp opts for a deliberately simplified and streamlined approach. It's built on the premise that effective project management doesn't require an overwhelming array of features, but rather a clear, calm, and centralized space for team communication and task coordination. Think of Basecamp as a digital headquarters for each of your projects. Instead of scattered emails, chat messages, and documents across various platforms, Basecamp brings everything related to a specific project into one dedicated space. This central hub is designed to reduce chaos and provide clarity, which, as any project manager knows, is half the battle. The core components of a Basecamp project are designed to facilitate effective collaboration without unnecessary complexity. Message boards. This is where discussions happen. Unlike real-time chat tools that can be distracting and ephemeral, Basecamp's message boards encourage thoughtful, asynchronous communication. This means team members can respond at their own pace, leading to more considered discussions and fewer interruptions. It's excellent for formal announcements, pitching ideas, or discussing design iterations. As a project manager, this means a searchable history of discussions, making it easy to track decisions and justifications. To-dos. This is where tasks are assigned and tracked. Basecamp's to-do lists are straightforward. You create a list, add individual tasks, assign them to team members, and set due dates. There's no complex hierarchy or dependency mapping like you might find in more advanced project management tools. This simplicity is intentional. It encourages breaking down work into manageable chunks and focuses on accountability for individual items. For teams just starting with structured task management, or those who find overly complex tools overwhelming, this is a significant advantage. Schedule. This feature provides a simple calendar view for important dates, milestones, and deadlines. It integrates with your to-dos, ensuring that key dates are visible to everyone. It's not a full-fledged scheduling tool with resource leveling, but rather a high-level overview to keep everyone on the same page regarding project timelines. Docs and files. This is your centralized repository for all project-related documents, images, and files. No more hunting through email attachments or cloud storage links. Everything relevant to the project is stored here, making it easy for anyone on the team to access the latest versions of specifications, designs, or reports. Campfire. While Basecamp generally champions asynchronous communication, Campfire offers a real-time chat space within each project. This is for quick questions, informal check-ins, or casual conversations. It's designed to be a supplementary tool, not the primary mode of communication, reinforcing Basecamp's preference for thoughtful, written communication. Automatic check-ins. This unique feature allows project managers to set up recurring questions for the team, e.g., what did you work on today? Or any blockers. Team members provide written answers, which are then compiled into a feed. This provides a quick, consistent way to understand progress and identify issues without needing a daily stand-up meeting, particularly beneficial for remote teams. What truly sets Basecamp apart is its minimalist philosophy. It deliberately doesn't include features that are common in other project management apps, such as Gantt charts, time tracking, though integrations are possible, intricate reporting dashboards, or complex resource management. This isn't an oversight. It's a conscious design choice based on the belief that these features often add complexity without necessarily improving project outcomes, especially for smaller teams or those new to structured project management. Basecamp is particularly well-suited for small to medium-sized teams. Its simplicity shines for teams that don't need overly complex features. Remote or distributed teams. Its asynchronous communication tools and centralized project spaces are ideal for teams spread across different locations and time zones. Teams looking for clear, calm communication. If your current project communication is chaotic and disorganized, Basecamp provides a structured environment to bring order. Projects with clear, sequential tasks. While not rigid, its to-do list structure works well for projects where tasks can be broken down and assigned directly. Teams who value work-life balance. By favoring asynchronous communication and reducing constant notifications, Basecamp promotes a calmer work environment, which aligns with its creator's philosophy on sustainable work.